at her. She's looking in at me. Hi everyone, and welcome back to another video. I hope everyone is doing well today. So I'm sitting here watching the birds at the feeder there, and I decided to start this jigsaw puzzle that I did get from, let me put it here, that I did get from that One Day Savings website. So the puzzle itself looks like it's going to be very difficult because this is the only picture I was given, right? So I started to do it on my proper puzzle mat here, and the pieces were kind of not staying in. Transferred it over here to my green crafting mat, and as you can see, every time I touch it or whatever, the pieces are coming apart from each other. So I love doing puzzles. I have a lot of patience doing puzzles, but I am not going to continue with this puzzle. So I do hope that if you do go on their website, that their diamond painting and their needlepoint cross stitch are of better quality than this puzzle. These are my honest opinions. So just wanted to let you all know that this is how I feel about this lovely jigsaw puzzle. All right, take care, and I'll catch you on my next video. Bye for now. Oh, I just put the camera back on. The little red bird was there, but it just flew off again.
What's right there by the...
Oh, Sean said it's back. It's on the feeder now. Can you see it? I'm going to, yeah, I try not to scare them away here. Because I got to do it like this. Where's my feeder, people? Oh, there it is. Oh, there she is. Can you see her? She's beautiful. There was a blue jay out there too. Can you guys see the red bird there? Aren't they beautiful? I love watching my birds. And yes, we still have all that snow on the ground. It is Sunday, It is Sunday, February, what are we, 26? Yeah. I love the birds. Look at her, she's looking in at me. Well, we got two of them now. This one on the deck has a yellow down the back. And the other one's got the red. Anybody know what these birds are called? I don't know what they are, but they're beautiful. So I am off to pack up my jigsaw puzzle and watch my birds with my hot chocolate.